Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 3548 Brown. They tried cabling this and they could only get almost like 30 feet, they said. And they couldn't go any further. They had the city come out and they couldn't get no more than about 25 feet. And I came out here, I put my camera in there and it stopped around 24 feet. And I located it out in the driveway. But then I cabled it and had a hard time getting past that spot. It kept shooting me towards the floor drain over here in the basement where this 2-inch line is over there. And they got your 4 inches coming off the wall here. And they're both wide out there outside the house. And when I ran it, it kept wanting to shoot me back towards the house up to that floor drain over there. So I finally got it to go the other direction. Got to go out. I ran about 130 feet in there. And we got the line open. We're going to go ahead and put our camera in there and show you what it looks like. Like I said, I had a real hard time getting to that spot. And, we ran a bunch of water, like I said, we got it open. Well, run this in here and be right back. Alright, so we got our camera pushed out here around 17 feet. As you see, there's some kind of collapse, some kind of wide going on there. And that's why it gave me a hard time going the way I needed to go. I don't know, I believe the line may be offset also because, yeah, it felt like I was digging in mud for a while. But then, so I'm going to go ahead and locate and mark where this is at. I'll be right back. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, so we got our camera pushed in here. We're at 16 feet. Yeah, I took the stack apart off the wall, that's why we're a little closer. I take it apart to cable because that stack would have broken if I would try cabling it that way. Here we are. As you see, there's some kind of problem going on there. I don't know if the pipe is collapsed and shifted or some kind of messed up why. So you'll keep pulling back. See, the line right here is dropping down. Got a drop there. This is PVC here. You can see that's turning and dropping. I've located this in the driveway. It's about 7 feet deep. We got another turn there. Here we are in cast iron. We got cast iron going in the PVC there. So we'll go get ahead, get a couple more locates on this. I'm unable to push my camera past that spot. I didn't want to get my camera head stuck. My cable had a hard time getting through there and almost got stuck a few times. But we were able to get past it somehow and got it to drain. But definitely won't last long. I'll recommend a repair on it as soon as possible. And go ahead and make a couple marks. I'll be right back. Alright, so I made a couple marks, outlines running out there. Like I said, right where we stopped is 7 feet deep. Right here before this dive, it's almost 3 feet deep. You see it dives down and turns and dives. And that's where we got our problem spot there. So it looks like a bunch of rock and stuff on the other side. So, wouldn't imagine this line was going to stay open very long. It'll probably back up sooner than later. Probably recommend it be done as soon as possible. Here we are at the wall.